Hey, what up, people? Yeah, so people are asking what is the advantage of going with this setup? Um, Honestly, it's all about the big wheels. I mean, it's like putting sweet wheels on your muscle car, or sports car, or you name it. It's just, yeah, they really look good. That's number one. Number two, 1.1 pounds. Um, there is no real weight savings. If we just do another standard wheel, 0.8 pounds. That is if my scale is right. I would say no real weight savings. I measured a few of these wheels weight wise, and they're all about 0.8. And I was getting 1.1 to 1.3. So yeah, weight savings, you're not really gonna get much out of that, but man, they look sweet. Number three, I would say like you have a really durable bearing. You have it's machine fit, very good quality. So durability is top notch. So like I said, they're really durable. I've had these in the past, and they used to ice up all along the aluminum. So now what IceAge did was they put these plastic replaceable rings, so you can buy these. And as you can see, you just take the bolts out, and then you replace it, put a new one on if this gets worn up. And on top of that, you're not collecting ice, because when you collected ice before on the old ones, you would get it was kind of like, when your tire is out of balance, yeah, you would get that sometimes at high speeds because it's bouncing up and down, right, just slightly with that chunk of ice that's caught up in the corner. So that's eliminated with this plastic, and it's easier on your track too. So but again, quality is really good, really high end, really durable. So that's number three. Okay, number four, my Mickey Mouse artwork here is roller resistance. So this is the rear of your track. That's your big wheel, Hellfire wheels, and that's 9 inch. So the rotation around the track gets easier. So in real performance, when you're driving it, it feels smoother, if that makes sense. It's very subtle. It's not like you're gonna spend all this money and feel major differences. You could spend money other areas, but it is nicer. It's a smoother. I can't even explain it, but it's smoother when you take off, I find. And as you can see here, something like a narrow wheel, like the 7.25 wheel that comes stock with Polaris. Now you can see your track would be bending it's a sharper bend around that wheel. Again, it's not earth-shattering changes, but you do notice it. Yeah, so that's number four. Number five is basically your reverse. So if you're backing up in deep powder with these big wheels, it's just, you can back up nicer. You have more volume with your track. There's a better, it alleviates the trenching with a narrow wheel. You get into the deep powder, you throw it in reverse, try to get out of a sticky situation. The narrow wheel wants to trench right away. Where the bigger wheel, you can actually back up a lot nicer. So reverse is number five, but that could be actually number one, especially if you're in the deep powder. And yeah, especially when you're in deep powder. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's there is no number six. They look cool. I really like them. What else can I really say? I'll do maybe a video with them on the sled, on the SKS. You can get these from IceAge Performance, and you can get them for all models of sled. Just give them a call. They're really good guys, you know, built in the USA. Always a fan of supporting the States. As a Canadian, I think we should be supporting each other. And yeah, I won't go down that road, but anyways, you know what I mean. And built well, and that's about it. Okay, thanks friends, thanks for watching.